The Swiss Army Classic Chronograph features an elegant design. Housing a Swiss quartz movement under an anti-reflective sapphire crystal, this chronograph is embellished with luminous hands and tachometer. The split time feature allows users to stop the hands to read an intermediate time while continuing timing. When the hands are restarted, the chronograph makes up for the elapsed time. Water resistant up to 100 meters. This watch will remain an excellent staple to your chronograph collection.